Daisy is a 2006 film directed by Hong Kong filmmaker Andrew Lau. It is a story between an artist, a detective, and a hitman. The story is so intense and romantic. It is definitely one of my favorite movies. So I painted one of the beautiful landscape in the movie, and I hope you enjoy this step-by-step watercolor tutorial. This is Ella. I create to inspire. There will be total 7 steps in this painting, and step 1 is always sketching. And then we will paint the sky. Wet on wet is one of the basic techniques in watercolor painting. When we paint cloud, always remember to leave some white space to indicate the cloud. Step 3 is to paint landscape, including the little stream in the front, the grass, and the mountain on the back. I'm using silver black velvet flat brush and Princeton Heritage round tip brush. So again, all the materials I'm using today will be listed in the description box. Please check it out. Now I'm painting some trees from far away, and I just press the tip of my brush so I can use those rough edges to indicate the tree leaves. Now I'm painting more mountains and trees. Again, remember to leave some white spaces to indicate the reflection. Next step is to paint the bridge. This is the first layer of the brown, and we will add more details later on. Step 6 is to paint our daisy. Usually when I have a darker background, I will put the fluid mask to leave some spaces for a light color flower. But for this one, I just leave some big spaces, and I will paint some color and some white on the top. Take a look. The white I'm using here is Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White. Finally, we are finishing up. I'm adding more white and yellow to indicate the daisies on the other side of the bridge and a little bit far away as well. Don't forget to paint the shadow under the bridge. Here I am using some grayish brown, adding some purple in it. I'm wondering if you watched the movie before. Do you like it or not? Please leave a comment below, and I hope you enjoy the movie and enjoy the painting as well. Have a great weekend and see you next time. Bye bye.